In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a web page in a Gamma presentation quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature if you want to embed live websites, videos, design previews, or interactive content directly into your Gamma deck without having to send people to another tab. It makes your presentation feel more dynamic, more professional, and a lot more engaging. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log in to your Gamma account. Once you're inside, open the presentation you want to edit. If you don't already have one open, choose the deck you want to work on from your dashboard. After that, find the exact card or slide where you want to place the web page. Gamma works in cards, so selecting the right card is important before you add anything. Now click into that card and begin typing a / command. Type on web page to insert a web page block, or type a / followed by the platform you want to embed, like Figma or YouTube if you're adding content from those services. Gamma gives you these quick options so you can insert content faster without searching through menus. As soon as you type the command, Gamma should bring up the related embed option. Next, paste the URL of the web page you want to add. If Gamma gives you a field for embed code instead, you can paste that there as well, depending on the type of content you're inserting. For most web pages, a normal URL is enough. Once the link is in place, Gamma will automatically load the interactive content inside the card. That means your audience can view or interact with the web page right within your presentation. Take a moment to make sure the web page appears correctly. If it's not loading the way you expected, double check that the URL is correct and that the page supports embedding. Some websites allow interactive previews more easily than others, so if one option doesn't work, try using the specific platform command or a different embed format. You can also move the card around in your presentation just like any other block, so you can organize your content exactly how you want it. This is especially helpful if you're building a marketing deck, a client presentation, a design review, or a tutorial where showing live content matters. Instead of taking screenshots that can go out of date, you can use a live web page block that stays current and keeps your presentation more useful. That saves time and makes your slides look much more polished. If you're following along, make sure to test the embedded web page before presenting. Open the card in preview mode and confirm that everything loads properly. Once you're happy with it, your web page is ready to go inside Gamma. And that's how to add a web page in a Gamma presentation. It's fast, simple, and a great way to make your cards more interactive. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Gamma tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.